Previously on Goons Dynasty.
A horribly ran program down from their.
We're on the up and coming, buddy. We're on the up. 4 stars on the way.
You should be worried about your program. No, this motherfucker right here should be worried about having a job next year. What are you talking about? They should be happy to have me as the head coach of their program. If we steal that Mac, the playoffs are in question. The playoffs are our goal.
Dick is delusional. That team could never
He's
compete in the college
dick.
football
He's
playoffs.
smoking dick
Coach
if he
Dick
thinks
smoking.
so.
That team ain't playoff worthy.
Taking on a squad hoping to prevent another L this week, the Bowling Green Falcons. 48 looking to throw on 2nd down.
Bro, I knew that.
Wide open downfield! It's the foot race to the end zone! Touchdown, Bowling Green!
Where was that guy?
Coming. Do they do it again? Wants to throw. It's Matthews.
Oh, yeah! Oh, a fumble! Oh, recovered by San Jose State!
1, 2, 3 kick. The last drive, that 3 and out. Sometimes that puts your defense in a bad
No! Go, baby. Go, hurry.
Touch! Breaks outside.
Hurry.
1 man to beat.
Hurry. Hurry.
Can he go all the way? Yes, he does! Holy fucking shit!
San Jose.
The option look.
Option here. Pitches out.
Oh,
Nothing but green in front of him.
Bye.
It's a foot race to the end zone.
Shit.
Touchdown, Bowling Green.
Looking to throw. It's Matthews.
Matthews drops back. Looking for a receiver.
Oh,
He throws an interception.
fucking go. Adam Matthews, what are we doing there?
They'll snap it from the gun on 3rd down.
Oh!
Fucking
Touchdown, Bowling Green.
To the air. It's Matthews.
Trying to run. He's really trying some shit. Oh my god.
Oh, he finds an open man downfield. Big game.
On 3rd and long, you'll have to turn it loose deep.
Matthews rolls out. He's open. He finds a moment. What we've been seeing all afternoon. It's a fake.
Sorry. I knew it was coming. I knew it was coming.
Oh, and that shit gets sniffed out.
I can't believe he tried it, man.
From the red zone, looking for a space.
No!
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Sherwood has to make the.
Go, baby. Go. Go.
Are we serious?
Unbelievable. House call. San Jose State.
Coming in, he's gonna get his. Such a great back and
He missed the wide open route.
Let's go. Another one. Pick 6, pick.
Unfucking believable. Another.
Wow.
Oh!
How do you get burned that bad, bro?
Touchdown,
How do you get
Bowling
burned that bad?
Back. That's what we're talking about.
Hands it off to Stewart.
Touchdown.
Good for 6. Touchdown, Bowling Green. Oh!
Yeah.
Hey, dude, what? I
That's
thought I
wide
aimed that
left.
perfectly. How?
Oh, huge run here. Sees green.
Stay in bounds. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. I pressed the wrong button.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
No.
I pressed the wrong.
Hands it off.
He doesn't have nothing. He doesn't
Wow.
have nothing. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go.
It's intercepted by the Falcons. And he will dive his way to a win
That's
for
what we're talking
Bowling Green.
I made it interesting. I even gave it back to you. You couldn't do shit.
Holy shit, 35-32.